How do you think the people in the photograph might be feeling? Why? In the photograph, a mother and daughter are potting plants together at home. The mother is smiling widely, her face glowing with happiness and enthusiasm. Her eyes sparkle with joy as she enjoys this bonding moment with her daughter. The mother's joy likely comes from sharing the fun activity with her daughter and enjoying the process of teaching her about gardening and spending quality time with her child. Her relaxed posture and encouraging demeanor indicate that she finds joy in nurturing both the plants and her relationship with her child. The daughter, however, looks unsure and hesitant. Her face shows a mix of curiosity and uncertainty, with furrowed brows and her lips pressed tightly together as she tries to participate in the hands-on activity. Her eyes, though curious, show a lack of confidence in her gardening skills. Her uncertainty is likely due to inexperience with gardening, making her hesitant as she learns something new. She might feel a bit overwhelmed by this new experience. The photograph captures the contrasting feelings shown by the mother and her daughter and highlights their different reactions to their shared gardening experience.